we're gonna unbox our Temu stuff we bought. Let's see what we got. A brush for like cleaning your cups like this. I'll have up at the top how much each one was. It's actually nice. It'll do to clean out tumblers. It's, you know, pretty good. Ponytails. This is my second time to buy these, and these are good. If you have thin hair, these are very good to hold your hair up with. Okay, we have another little brush. This one is actually made like the scrubbers you would use to clean your dishes with. This is actually a nice little, I got this to clean the inside of my wash machine where I put the fabric softener where I can scrub down in there. It's actually nice. Okay, we have some earrings. These are cute. Let's see. If you have a teacher in your family, they're little books, and it says, read all the books. What else we got? Let's see. Nice little pack. It was double packed. It's even in another little pack. This is another pair of earrings. You get the little backs for it. We actually raise honeybees. So these are the little honey jar and the flower with the little bee. And you even have the little spoon dipper. Those are cute. These were actually really cheap. Some measuring spoons. I got tired of trying to find measuring spoons because mine are attached to the little circle thing. So these are actually adjustable measuring spoons. You have the adjustable. Let's see how we do this. Oh, it just slides. And it tells you up here what your adjustments are. These is tablespoons and milliliters, and the little smaller one. And I have the bigger one. It comes 2 in a pack. This is your tablespoons and milliliters. We have teaspoon, tablespoon, and you just mash it to adjust. Pull it back to adjust, push it forward. And it has the little thing there. These are very neat. I am excited to get these. Now I'm not always looking. You even have the little grips on the side that you can use on both of them. Perfect. If you don't want all the juice from your soups, your spaghettis, you want more, it's perfect. It's actually pretty good. Just remember, I'll have the prices up in the corner for each item. This is socks. I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of socks. I want to say these were like $2.40 something. Like I say, we're beekeepers, and it has the honeycomb with the little bees on them. These are actually nice. They're not too thick and they're not too thin. They're perfect. A little checkerboard. Bees with the beehive. And then a tan with the little bumblebee up there. They come in their own little bag. Tape. Let's see how I open this. This has little bees on it. We got this to go on the top of our honey jars for when we sell them. Pretty cute. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed all my items for my review. I'll leave a code down below and you can use to get your items. If you like these posts, follow our page. Our page is Latham Homestead. We share gardening, everyday life stuff, ventures, stuff about our chickens, our guineas, our bees. We cook a lot. So just give us a follow. We'd love to have you tag along with us. Have a great day. Thanks for watching our channel. Like and subscribe.